Well, hello and welcome to the garage. What is this thing? Yeah, welcome to the garage. Welcome to the garage studio, where I have just very literally gotten in the door from work. Had to put a few things away, and I came to sit down because I wanted to do a review on my work shoes. And believe me, the Fred Rogers-esque-ness of this is not lost on me. But I have been working for a long time now, and I seem to buy work shoes about every 3 to 6 months. I think occasionally they'll last me the better part of a year. And they never seem to be really great shoes. I've bought expensive shoes, I've bought really inexpensive shoes, but they always tend to disappoint me as far as how they perform, how they wear, how they do. And I don't work outside, I work in retail, and I am always surprised at the environments I find myself in, wet or cold or frozen or climbing all over stuff. And I need shoes that just do what they're supposed to do without falling apart early. So I just got tired of replacing shoes. I think the last pair I had gotten lasted like 3 months, and I said, this is dumb. So I started looking at like Amazon reviews, shoe after shoe after shoe. And I kept coming back to this brand called Haix, Haix, and it's made in Germany. And I had never heard of them. I knew Red Wing, I knew some of the better brands of shoes. But before I get into the Haix shoes, I wanted to tell you a story. The story about why this video is called what it is. And when I was, 15, 16, I guess, in high school needed to be cool. Anybody else need to be cool? No, just me. Okay. So I thought Air Jordans are cool shoes. And back in 1991, 92, Air Jordans were $125. And I've been told recently that they're a lot more than that now. So I thought, Air Jordan shoes. I'm tall. I can't play basketball very well. I'll get Air Jordan shoes. And so I got my Air Jordan shoes for $125. And I felt pretty good about myself, except I wanted this pair. But I went to the mall with zero patience, and I ended up with this pair, which were fine. They were still Air Jordans. I thought I was cooler than I was. So I wore them out, 6 months, 9 months. I don't remember how long I had them. I didn't play basketball any better, but I felt cooler. And so that was the last pair of shoes that was really kind of value to me for any reason. Everything else was pretty functional. Even my New Balance running shoes that I wear, 500-600 miles at a time, they're functional. I don't love those shoes because they do anything for me other than get me the miles down the road. Well, the work shoes that I've gotten, the Haix, are really, really impressive to me because I've been wearing them for 3 months. I wanted to wait enough weeks in a row before I did this review. And so these are just fresh off my feet, and they may be kind of hard to see any details on them. But they're kind of like utility shoes. They're really geared more towards military personnel, law enforcement. To be specific, they are the Black Eagle Athletic 2.1 T low black medium, which would be the width, size 12, if it makes any difference to you. And so I really enjoy these shoes. They have like this lug sole pattern, and it's synthetic on the toe, and they just wear super comfortably. I wear them on my feet 12 hours a day or more sometimes, and there's very, very little sign of wear. I can just brush these up with some warm soapy water and feel really, really good that these things are not showing any amount of wear after 3 months. So the laces are like this stretch material. cord. That's the word I was looking for, cord. And they tuck up inside and they just wear so well all day. I really, really enjoy these shoes. I've reached out to their corporate office to tell them, hey, you guys have some really fantastic shoes. I'm going to be wearing these a long time. And I had a little problem. Like 2 weeks in, the cords broke on one of the shoes, and I was like, oh man, that's disappointing. But they have a cord repair kit that they sent me really quickly, and I enjoyed just relacing these shoes and kind of making them as good as new again. So 90 days, these things, you'd have a hard time telling that I didn't buy them last week. That's impressive for work shoes that get the kind of abuse I give them. So that's it. I don't do these high technical reviews. I just know that if you need good quality shoes and are in a demanding environment and you want them to look like this or something similar, most of their shoes are more of a boot type. Yes, they've got this lug sole. I thought they weren't going to be all that slip resistant. They're really good. I'm in some greasy situations sometimes and I don't slide at all. So if you are considering buying work shoes, I think I spent about $125 on these. Do yourself a favor, read all the reviews that I did, check them out for yourself, and I have every words that go here. Expectation, that's the word. I have every expectation that these are going to last me till the end of the year. It's April as I'm recording this. If they don't last till the end of the year, I'd be shocked. I can't even conceive of where they would begin to fail because they're so well made. The stitching is solid. Everything just joins up to every other surface in a really, really nice way. I don't see anything like delaminating or peeling. These are just great, great shoes. So that's it. That's my review. Haix, spelled H-A-I-X. The greatest shoes since the Air Jordan 6s. Thanks for watching. If you've got a pair of shoes that you like that's lasted and it's taken the punishment you've thrown at it, let me know what you like in the comments below. And if you're not sure what else to put, then just put hi and tell me who you are, where you found the video. And until I talk to you again, I hope you have a great day. Ooh, I'm sweating. I'm not supposed to be sweating.